Okay, day 113 was a 0.43% day. It was successful. So I was looking for a bottom-up reversal. We got a nice wick here. I jumped in on this one. We pushed down a little bit. That was a little scary, not gonna lie, because when it does that, sometimes it just jumps, right? Anyways, we were able to capture just about to the 9 EMA. Second trade was a bottom-up reversal. Now this one was this was a nail biter for sure. So we had what looked to be a beautiful reverse head and shoulders here that I jumped in on here. The problem with this trade is I had too many shares in the position to stomach the down move. So my stop loss was going to be like a break of this low, right? Like the left shoulder per se, which it was dangerously close to that happening. If anything, I waited too long in the position before selling, and I would have been down on my day. The problem is if I would have sold down here, I would have been down past my max stop because my share size was too heavy for my account size. So that was a mistake. It went my way. It ended up going my way with the trade. That could have been bad. Anywho, it bounced off the left shoulder here, pushed past the 9 and 20 day moving average, and I did not get the whole move. I believe I got it right about here, and it still pushed a little higher and then sold off. So this white line was where I was expecting it to reverse, which it did, which was nice. However, I never saw the whole move. I got like, 60-70% of the move, even though I stomached way more downside. So that's a major red flag for longevity wise. I was willing to stomach a higher loss than it was just for the little gain that I got. So today's performance was not ideal for sure. It was a green day, 0.48, simply because the rest of the market agreed with what my thesis was on the market. But that's not always the case. So yeah, it could have been a bad one. So yeah, that's just something I have to think about moving forward. I might just have to really, before jumping into position, predetermine my share size and how much downside I can have, which I should be doing anyways. But yeah, anywho, hope you guys have a good Thursday.